The biggest challenge we see with our customers is the reluctance to open your mind to what additive manufacturing can offer, both the values as well as the cost. Additive requires a complete rethinking of your assumptions about how manufacturing takes place. Additive is not one kind of silver bullet technology. It's a series of maturing technologies that are converging and coming together all at the same time to rapidly change the way we approach manufacturing and change the value proposition for that type of process. One of the things that we offer with NX and Simcenter 3D is an end-to-end solution. We start with topology optimization, where we're applying loads and constraints to a design space to give us the most efficient structure possible. Those structures wouldn't have been able to be built with traditional manufacturing methods. We then modify that topology optimization directly with our convergent modeling technology. Once we've done all those modifications, we then need to validate that against all the other load cases that you typically would, right? So if it's going to be on the road or in the sky or anywhere in between, we need to actually validate against all those load cases. So we're able to bring that result into Simcenter 3D and build the finite element model to actually go and solve all those load cases and validate the design. We can then take that part, still within NX, bring it into our build tray setup to actually set the part up in the build tray in the correct orientation with the right support structures, exactly the way you want to print it. Before you hit the print button though, we also want to make sure that our print setup we currently have with the design and the setup is going to print correctly. We're actually able to simulate the layer by layer printing of that part. So we can predict not only the temperatures of the part, but also more importantly, the residual stresses and distortion of that geometry as it's being printed. We're working on an end-to-end solution that can be industrialized in a true environment for customers so that additive manufacturing can go beyond just the R&D lab and be pervasive throughout the entire organization.